Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be trying Jahnoun. Let's get started. Oh gosh. Okay, here's the first. Okay, I like the egg. Why is it brown? Okay. It's like doughy. It's very...
Okay.
It's very like, if I touch this thing, it's like very... Ugh.
Okay, let's try it. You ready?
Which one do you want to try first?
Jahnoun. Yeah, Jahnoun.
Oh gosh, it's hot. Should we try the egg first? I kind of want to try the egg.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. It tastes like a regular egg. Wait, where's the yellow stuff?
There is no yellow stuff.
Look guys, that's cool. Oh,
This is one cover. This is another.
There is yellow stuff.
I think if you just keep ripping it, there's... Oh no, the yellow is
a-
way inside of there.
It's definitely a different color. You can see that. It does have the yellow stuff that gets stuck in your teeth. Yeah. I mean, I like it. I mean, I like all kinds of eggs. Okay.
Jahnoun?
Wait. What do we use the tomato sauce for?
I think... Oh yeah. I think what we do... I saw it on TV or something.
TV. You watch TV on how to make You know
Well,
what?
no,
A
when
piece
I-
just fell out, so I'm just gonna put that in the tomato sauce.
Okay.
It's very small.
I'm gonna dip it. I don't
know.
I don't like tomato, so...
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I would like it without the tomato.
Tastes like a burrata. A little bit. I like the tomato. I love tomatoes. So that's a winner for me. I want more egg.
Yeah, I like it without the tomato.
This one has a bigger one. There's different sizes. I feel like the tomato sauce is very, I like how it just falls in your mouth. It's just
That can happen.
delicious. I love it. Obviously, David, what do you think is your favorite? The Jahnoun or the egg?
No, Jahnoun.
Egg. I
Well-
like food. Well, I guess that's it for the video.
I liked it.
Bye.